Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. So in the last video, I showed you how to make a bowline knot, which is a fixed loop knot. You could form an adjustable loop or lasso by passing the end of the rope through the bowline loop to form the adjustable loop. However, if the rope is extremely long or the end of the rope is attached to another object, this could be a problem. And this is where the running bowline knot comes in. So to form the running bowline knot, you first make a large overhand loop. Then you proceed by making the standard bowline knot by forming a smaller loop, passing the end under the larger loop, then through the small loop, and then back under the standing part of the larger loop, then back over and through the smaller loop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.